college 15 story. I'm still recovering from that one. 15. Woo! I'd love to only have put on 15 from college. All right, we're doing okay though. Weather-wise, Seattle's got rain. How about that for this time of year? That's the last thing they need, but they've got it. And we've got big showers in Louisiana. Look at that. Severe weather in parts of Georgia. For us, we just have some heat to deal with, and these are the current temperatures around the U.S. Look at Phoenix, 108. 85 in Portland. How about that? 74 in Seattle in the rain-cooled air. Upper 70s near the Canadian border. 84 in Miami. And cooler in Dallas because of a cool front that came through there and actually brought rain to San Antonio today in Austin. Here's our high. That's why we hit 100 today in many spots. And this low is just a little too tightly wound and too far north to do anything for us at all. However, the backside of it, when it moves through, may get us out of the 100-degree range by the weekend. Until then, here is our current temperature and the high of the day, 98. Winds are west at 7. 99 up in Porterville. Fresno hit 100 yesterday, and Taft is down to 100. It was at 102. 86 to Hatchby, and low 90s at Lake Isabella. Wind speeds stronger to the north, 14 miles per hour, all northwesterly. And the winds coming in off the shore, not as strong as they were because that low is starting to move in through BC, British Columbia, not Bakersfield College. 22-mile-per-hour winds for San Francisco, and just a nice breeze across the state, keeping the skies clear. Marine layer a little thick in the Southland today and in the Central Coast, but it gives way to afternoon sunshine, at least pockets of it. But it has been a cooler than average summer at the coast, and for us, it's been cooler than average as well, not because of cloud cover, just because of all those lows that keep moving through the Pacific Northwest. 99 was the high today. I stand corrected. The average is 96. The low this morning, a little warm, 72, and 102 for Fresno. There it is. These are all being processed as we speak live for the highs. 104 at Edwards and 96 in Burbank, 103 Paso Robles, 75 Camarillo, and it was 82 in San Luis Obispo today. 100 up in Redding at the northern tip, and Fresno was the hot spot on this map except for Palm Springs in the desert at 109. 72 for San Francisco today as well. So this low, a lot of moisture moving in, raining from Portland north as we speak, but not a lot of it, just kind of a damp day for them. And that's where the active weather will stay. The active weather region is behind our banner where the clock is ticking, and you'll see those showers will continue there, but not here. Darn it. 68 in San Francisco tomorrow, 102 for Fresno. Again, 98 in Yosemite on the valley floor, 84 at South Lake Tahoe, and 95 at the state capitol. Further to the south, temperatures look mild, 78 in Santa Barbara, 67 in Pismo Beach, around 90 in Solvang if you're going to be inland there. Wine tasting, 108 for Palm Springs, 74 in San Diego, downtown LA around 87, and Anaheim will be darn close to 90. Hundreds across the board, everyone in on the parade, 100 to 104 the range we think. Overnight lows, upper 60s and low 70s will be on tap for tonight. And remember, the overnight low doesn't happen until about 6 a.m., so it'll be a warm night. 93 for Glenville, 97 in Kernville, upper 80s for Tehachapi, and low 90s for Fraser Park. To the deserts we go, where the heat will continue, but that's why we call it the desert. 105 for California City, Ridgecrest also hot. Air quality, unfortunately, has gone up a category, which means down a category in health. Unhealthy for sensitive groups. That's a forecast, remember, not actual observations, but still, just be careful out there if you're sensitive. It's okay, we have a couple of days of hundreds to deal with. Not a lot. The weekend rolls in with highs in the upper 90s. That's the Kern Valley. This is the Kern River Valley, Lake Isabella area, Kernville, places like that. Mid to upper 90s as well. And of course, in the mountains, once you get above 4,000 feet, life's easy. 80s all over the place.
Life's easier at
Yeah,
4,000 feet.
It is a little easier.
Thanks,
very
Colin.
good.
Okay.